Let's dive into the realm of Lexus's compact sedan world with the IS, a rear-wheel drive wonder that stands apart from its larger cousin, the ES sedan, despite sharing a similar price tag. Unlike the the IS leans more towards the sporty side rather than mimicking a downsized LS. Yet, it doesn't quite carry the sharpness of its German counterparts like the BMW 3 Series or the Mercedes-Benz C-Class. However, when you experience the top-tier IS500, you may miss out on the lightning-fast acceleration of the BMW M3 or the Mercedes-AMG C63, but it still promises plenty of excitement and a touch more practicality. Among the various IS models, the entry-level IS300 might leave you yearning for more power from its Turbo 4 engine, while the mid-range IS350 steps up the refinement game with its V6 power plant, both available with all-wheel drive for added traction. The IS's compact size is a boon in bustling city streets, but it does translate into a snugger interior compared to, say, the spaciousness of a Genesis G70. Yet fear not, the luxurious cabin maintains Lexus's signature comfort-first approach and pairs impeccably with the smooth ride. Looking into the future of the 2024 lineup, Lexus introduces broader availability of the F-Sport trim for the IS, catering to enthusiasts and style seekers alike. Whether opting for the base IS300 with its newfound F-Sport option or the visually striking F-Sport design trim, there's something for every taste. The IS350 now flaunts a sleek blackout package, while the IS500 stands out with its alluring special appearance package featuring a striking blue vector exterior among other enhancements. Plus, a new exterior color incognito adds further allure to both the IS500 and IS350. When it comes to making the purchase decision, the IS500 with its potent V8 engine may tempt those craving high performance, yet for most, the IS350 with its refined six-cylinder engine strikes a harmonious balance between driving pleasure and practicality. Opting for the F-Sport trim and adding the F-Sport handling package enhances the driving dynamics, providing adaptive suspension and a limited slip rear differential for an exhilarating experience. Under the hood, the 2024 offers three engine options catering to different preferences: a turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder in the IS300, a V6 in the IS350, and a V8 powerhouse in the IS500. While the IS300 may lack the vigor to match its sporty chassis, stepping up to the V6 unleashes the IS's full potential. The IS350 delivers brisk acceleration, while the IS500 elevates performance to another level with its impressive sprint times. Fuel efficiency varies across the lineup, with the IS300 leading the pack and the V8-powered IS500 trailing behind, as expected. Inside the IS, comfort meets luxury, albeit in a more confined space compared to its rivals. Yet every touchpoint exudes Lexus's hallmark quality, from the plush faux leather upholstery to the array of standard features like power front seats and dual-zone automatic climate control. While storage may be limited, the overall experience inside the IS is nothing short of indulgent, making every journey a pleasurable one.